Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So as per the yesterday's open interest analysis, the market has traded likewise only. It was positive and it has given a doji kind of a candle. It has formed in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Both has closed positive only. So let's check what's the open interest for the big player have made for this coming week. We'll follow by FII. In future index, they were having a 46% long, 53% short. Nothing much difference. They have just increased 1% long and 1% short. They have decreased. So 47% long, 53% short they have. And in option index, they were having 1.75 lakhs of call buying. Today they have increased their call buying by 1.37 lakhs. So they have 3 lakhs of call buying. And in put buying, they were having 1.57 lakhs of put buying. They have increased their put buying by 1.42 lakhs. So they have 3 lakhs of put buying. So they have had their positions call buying and put buying is equivalent, and whereas future long and short is also equal now. But they are purchasing in cash market. So they purchased for 2,175 crores in the cash market. So this is a good sign that they have started purchasing in cash market. Client are the retailers. In future index, long they were having 52% and short they are having 48%. No changes. Option index, in call, they were having 1.23 lakhs of call writing contract. Today, they have increased their call writing by 1.21 lakhs. So, they have 3.44 lakhs of call writing. And in put writing, they were having 3 lakhs of put writing contract. Today, they increased 90,000 contracts. So, they have 3.93 lakhs of put writing contract. They also have hedged their positions because they know market is not going to move nor higher side nor lower side. They have hedged their option writing positions. And in cash market, they have sold for 1,141 crores. Proprietor desk, in future index, they were having 55% long, 45% of short position. Now they have increased only 2% long, 2% short decrease. So they have 57% long, 43% short. Slight bullish they are now. Option index, they were having a call writing yesterday. They have unwinded this and made a fresh call buying of 29,000 contract. And put, they were having 20,000 of put writing. They have increased their put writing by 44,000 contracts. So they have 65,000 contract of put writing. They become slight positive now in options as well as in futures because they are purchasing cash market now. They purchased for 993 crores. So data is neutral to positive only. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has given a doji kind of a closing today. So it is just wait and watch until it sustain or consolidate in this range to make a new breakout or a breakdown. Nifty in 1 day time frame, it is also similar like Bank Nifty, trading in a range. So it is just wait and watch how many days it's going to consolidate, or it's going to give a new highs, or we can see a new lower levels. But as per the open interest analysis, the data is neutral to positive only. We don't have any negative data. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.